Okay, we have the 3.C.3 homework, starting with 19.12. In this reaction, we have the silver ion forming silver metal being reduced at the cathode, and aluminum being oxidized to aluminum plus 3 at the anode. I looked these up in the chart, and it's 0.80 volts and negative 1.66 volts for the aluminum. If I triple the silver reaction and add it to the aluminum reaction, I get 3Ag plus aluminum makes Al plus 3 silvers. Taking the difference in their voltages, 0.80 volts minus negative 1.66 volts, comes out to 2.46 volts. I'm looking for reactions that can make this reaction for 1914 run in reverse. I want to take water and oxidize it to O2, so I need to be able to take the reduction reaction for O2, making water, and run it in reverse. That means I need to pair it with a half reaction that's above it. So I need a half reaction where E naught is greater than 1.23 volts. That is not true for the H plus makes H2 reaction, where E naught is 0, the standard hydrogen electrode. Cl2 plus 2 electrons yields 2 Cl minus does work because it's 1.36 volts, which is above 1.23 volts. But Cl minus won't work because it's on the wrong side. If I'm trying to react Cl minus with water, they're both on the same side of the reaction. So we flip this one and flip this one, it wouldn't work. So I'm looking for Pb plus 2. I find it's negative 0.13 volts, so it's definitely not greater than 1.23. But when it came to permanganate, MnO4 minus, I looked it up in the book copy of the chart because MnO4 minus is not in the chart that is the AP chart. MnO4 minus in acid has an E naught of 1.51 volts. So that is a yes. So the two that can oxidize water are chlorine and permanganate. Coming over here, I have 1916. The cadmium plus 2 makes cadmium atoms. Reaction is above the calcium plus 2 electrons. Plus 2 electrons makes calcium. So the calcium reaction would flip, and these two put together would make a good reaction. So that is yes, it is thermodynamically favorable, spontaneous. This one is a no because Br2 makes 2 Br minuses. Is above the 10 plus 2 making 10, so I would not be able to get that combination to work. This one also is no because Ag plus is above Ni plus 2, so that one doesn't have the right one being flipped. But D does because Fe plus 3 plus electron makes Fe plus 2. That reaction would run in forward direction because it is above copper plus 2 plus electron making copper plus 1, which would flip. So that would be a proper reaction. That would be thermodynamically favorable. And finally, the quantitative electrolysis problem. I'm looking for barium plus 2 to be reduced to barium at the cathode and chloride to be oxidized to chlorine at the anode. 0.5 coulombs per second is 0.5 amps. 30 minutes is 1800 seconds. 1 mole of electrons is 96,500 coulombs. 1 mole of barium for every 2 moles of electrons. 137.33 grams of barium for every mole of barium. Work it all out to 0.64 grams of barium made in this reaction.